In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Acuity scheduling step by step. This integration allows you to automatically add new clients to your email lists, streamline your marketing efforts, and stay connected with your audience without manual data entry. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Integrations section from the left-hand menu. Now look for Mailchimp in the list of available integrations and click on it. Next, click Connect Mailchimp Account. You'll be redirected to Mailchimp, where you'll need to sign in and authorize the connection between the two platforms. After granting permission, return to Acuity Scheduling. Now choose the Mailchimp audience or email list where you want new clients to be added. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to map client information, such as first name, last name, email address, appointment type, or other details collected during booking. Once you've configured the connection, save your settings. From this point forward, when a client books an appointment through Acuity Scheduling, their information can be automatically sent to your selected Mailchimp audience, helping you build and manage your email marketing list more efficiently. You can then use Mailchimp to send newsletters, promotional campaigns, appointment follow-ups, or automated email sequences to your subscribers. Before finishing, create a test appointment and verify that the client information appears correctly in your Mailchimp audience. If the contact doesn't appear, double-check the integration settings and permissions on both platforms. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Acuity Scheduling and automated the process of collecting client information for email marketing. And that's how you integrate Mailchimp with Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.